Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you remove friends in Snapchat. So let's continue to Snapchat. After going to Snapchat, you need to click in the bottom second left icon, chat icon. Click on this. After that, you need to click on the top right three dot icon. Click on this. After clicking this, you can see the first option, manage friendships. Click on this. Now you need to click on the Bitmoji avatar, that friend you want to remove. After clicking this, you need to click in the top right three dot icon. After clicking, you can see the second option, manage friendship. Click on this. After that, you can see the third option, remove friend. Click this. Now click on remove. You can see the friend is removed. So guys, this is how can you remove a friend from your Snapchat friend list. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.